going to turn the oven to medium heat. I'm going to add about 3 to 4 tablespoonfuls olive oil. We're going to go ahead and add the herbs. We're going to add the cinnamon stick, bay leaf, star anise, 6 juniper berries, and 6 cloves. You want to stir, at least till. Want to make sure we bring the olive oil to warm, pretty much. We're going to go ahead in the meantime and grind the rosemary leaves. That's how I check to make sure it's warm. You can also notice, the olive oil bubble once it's warm. We're gonna add the onions now. Stir after each addition. Parsnips. That's me documenting the amount of each ingredient I'm using. Ones that I think I may forget. So we're stirring. We're going to go ahead and add the minced garlic and ginger. You want to stir after each addition. I'm going to go ahead and add the peppers. The first one is Anaheim pepper. These it's a slices of peppers, and that's the jalapeno pepper, and then the bell pepper or capsicum after that, the green bell pepper. You want to stir after each addition. And that's the garbanzo beans or chickpeas. It's soaked overnight. You want to wash this multiple times before soaking as well. You want to mix very, very well. At least till uniform. That's tomato paste. We're going to go ahead and add 4 tablespoonfuls tomato paste. You want to add it geometrically, while mixing or reducing the viscosity with the chicken stock. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to gradually mix. You want to do that, pretty much till all the tomato paste, is added, a 4 tablespoonful tomato paste. Stir very, very well. Stew requires a lot of stirring, as I mentioned earlier. Three cups of chicken stock was used in this preparation. And if you're vegan or vegetarian, you can go ahead and use a vegetable stock. I already have a few videos on how to make those. You really want to mix very well. I'm gonna add salt to taste. It's 1 teaspoonful. Mix very well. And that's the last, the last amount of the chicken stock. We're gonna cover and let it cook for 25 minutes, stirring periodically or intermittently within that time frame of 25 minutes. And that is the intermittent stirring. Now we're gonna reduce the heat because it's 25 minutes. And we're gonna go ahead and add the spices. It's always a good practice to reduce the heat before adding spices. That's Maggi cube, just one of it. One cube. You wanna make sure the heat is reduced, we don't want the stew to burn. So you just sprinkle it, all over and stir periodically. Stir after each addition. 1 teaspoonful ginger, 1 teaspoonful garlic after that. The sequence of addition of ingredients doesn't really matter. That's the chili pepper. This is really not very spicy. That's the grounded rosemary. This isn't really very spicy, so for those you can use paprika, if you want a moderately spicy, a chili pepper. That's me tasting it. It's all done. We're just going to go ahead now and add the rice. You want to do this geometrically. That means, just stir after each addition. And then we're going to really stir very well to make sure everything mixes, uniformly. And then after this, the goal is to cook the rice under steam. So we're going to steam the rice in the stew. And the way we do that is to use a clean napkin. We're going to cover the utensil, the top of the utensil with a napkin. And then just set the lid, over it. There are different ways of achieving, the same goal. You can, if you have like a bread dough, you can just seal the end of the utensil, you see, you kind of fill the edge of the utensil all around and then just set the lid on it. And that'll be another way to do it. But I'm going to use a clean napkin. This is actually my sister's idea. I learned this from my sister. Thank you, sis, by the way. There you go. So this is how we're going to cook the rice, and we're going to steam it. And we just turn the oven back to a medium heat. And we want to stir intermittently, in the course of cooking. We're going to just cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes. Generally, it takes about 12 to 15 minutes to cook rice. But we're going to cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring intermittently or periodically, as I'm doing. You want to stir very well. This is just demonstration of the intermittent stirring. Stirring also ensures we don't burn the rice. I'm going to taste it. It's all done. It's about 15-20 minutes. We're going to go ahead and add the minced arugula. You can also add the arugula probably around the 12-15 minute mark. That'll be fine. You're just going to mix very well, and then just cook it for about a minute or two. If you prefer, you don't even have to cook it for a minute or two. It's a minute's pretty much done. Yeah, adding the regular geometrically, a bit at a time and stirring. That marks the end of the preparation, pretty much.
Hello folks, this is the Stew Shah. This is for all my friends, you know, who've been requesting and make jollof rice. Hey Joel, this is for you. Joel, my brother in Australia, this is for you. So there you have it, jollof rice. This is what it looks like, it's pretty much done. Okay. If you're a vegetarian and, you know, obviously you can't use chicken stock, use vegetable stock. I already have videos on how to make them, and so you can also enjoy. It's really good. See you soon, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Ciao, ciao. Mwah! Alright folks, I decided to just give you a taste of it. I want to taste it for you. Those who didn't see it. Right there. And I have my brother Yves Florent. This guy's an amazing, talented artist, you know, writer, producer, all of it. He does it all. But he's here to sample it with me. What do you think about it? Tell him what you think.
It's amazing.
Yeah, it's really good, folks. You gotta
try this.
You gotta try this. You know, it has no meat in it, but it's very, very rich. So you gotta sample this. At least try to make it and share with everybody. Okay. All right. Have a good night. Ciao, ciao. Mwah!